Welcome
back to my channel.
I'm back and I'm better. So today in this video I'm going to do a what's in my backpack video, cause I'm cool, right? I'm irrelevant though. It's okay. I just got a new backpack right here for the beginning of the school year. It's been the second week of school. This is my backpack. We'll go into detail later. Let me get food quickly. BRB.
Yay, look, I got food.
It's like a vegan pizza. I got it at Costco. How do I hold this? Like that so I don't drop it? Thumbnail. Have a bite. Ooh, it broke. This is cheese and basil. I got this at Costco. MUKBANG. Or is it ASMR? Whatever you call it. A mukbang. I don't know what's in my backpack video. The best of both worlds, right? Update. I've gained weight because of food. See? I gained weight. This angle's not good. You can see my double chin. This is my Michael Kors backpack. You see that? I got this at their store in Great Mall. The retail price is $390 or 40 something. I got it on sale, $200. There are two compartments with the zippers. So there's this one and there's this one. Why am I like so weird today? I feel so weird. So in this compartment, opens up with a zipper. In this compartment, I have my keys, lanyard I got from Cal State East Bay, brush holder from Eco Tools, but I use it for my pencils and pens. Yeah, so this is really good. It's like good. I have tape. Oh, look, beauty guru, yeah. Because I need it for class. Got this hand sanitizer bottle from Bath & Body Works. It's a little old, a little damaged, but I sewed this rose on there. You see that? See it focus? Okay, fuck you. I got this mirror. It's a Gucci mirror. Oh my god, bougie stick right here. Everyone thinks this is a glue stick when I put it on. Yeah, it's not focusing. Everything in there, basically. Now we're gonna go into the main compartment right here. ASMR. Ooh. So, I have an agenda, kids, and crossed off. My friend gave me that, so I just put it in there for no reason. Got my agenda here. I've been using it and I love it so much.
You can see it.
Physiology right here looks so cool, right? It's Mead, the brand, or how you gonna call it. So gorgeous. Let me show you what I wrote. That's what I wrote. Spanish. We haven't used it yet. From Target, by the way, is this brand. It's a really good brand. Driver's handbook. I need to study so I could get my permit and then get my license so that I could fucking drive. This is the Bible. Reading this book is called Fragments. And there you go. I carry around my Lucky Charms. So it's this disc here is from Lana Del Rey. It's her latest album. Climb up the edge of the Hollywood. Yeah.
Love it so much.
And the next one I love as well is Born to Die, the Paradise Edition. Here are the track lists if you're interested. carry around this fan. I got this at church. I carry around this alarm clock because we can't use our phones in school, and some of the teachers block their like they put paper over their clock. So I got my own clock because like what the fuck? The bell does not dismiss you. I do. There, oh there you go. It's my wallet. I have a calculadora for math. And in the little compartments here, I have perfume samples. They're good for to go. Show you the specs of it. Life is pretty boring. Now it is. My summer was great. Here is the bag in all of its glory. Right? Beautiful. So let's pretend that we just bought this bag. So when you open it, it's pretty smooth, right? Here, let me turn on the light. So the name of this bag is called Abby LG backpack. The color is brown acorn. It retails for $398. I got it on sale. It comes with the care card care. It just tells you how to take care of the bag and the leather. But it comes with this thing that says it's a tech-friendly accessory type of bag. There you go. What is this? So this is the signature bag. It's on canvas or coated canvas or monogram, whatever you want to call it. It has leather trim everywhere. It's gold hardware, gold tone hardware. It has side pockets here, right here as well. And the zippers all have the signature Michael Kors on it. And here is the logo. And on the back, it's just like this with this leather strap. It's pretty durable. And it has gold buckles with the Michael Kors on there. And in the main big compartment, you get this section in the back here. This is like whatever you want to put in there. It has the Michael Kors tag in there. And this is where the tech friendly is. You can put your tablet or a laptop in there because it has this cushion that is really soft. You get this nice zipper compartment in the back to put any items you want to keep away or be protected. And on this side of the bag, you get these slots here. You get pencil slots. You can put your pen in them, in here. And in there, you can put erasers or like anything for school, credit cards, whatever. Your phone as well. And the interior is made of silk. As you can see, it's like silk with the Michael Kors written everywhere in there. That's the main compartment. And this compartment here is just an open compartment. It's pretty deep. It fits a binder though, and it fits my 13-inch MacBook Air in here as well. Thank you for watching. Yes, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna do a DIY and it's coming soon. It's a highlighter. I think no one did it yet, but it has to do with highlighter. I know, right? Wow, cool, new. It is cool because I'm gonna do it based off this very viral highlighter. It's by Fenty, so bye y'all.